Hey family, welcome back and welcome newcomers if you have never been to my channel. If you saw this video on my TikTok and you would like to know what I did, please stay tuned. Alright y'all, so let's start off with the truth. I would like for you all to pause this video here and you will see why I did not actually do the Cardi B hair mask. I know it was clickbait. This is a protein mask I did back in 2017 and this was the most defined and most shrunken I've ever seen my hair type before. So I knew that protein mask actually worked. So I use avocado in my mask. I use Greek yogurt. I use honey. I use coconut oil. And I use some of my hair oil. In the original, I used olive oil, if you have that. And warm water, and I blend it all together. Now, child, I was all for doing the Cardi B hair mask, but then I remember that my hair does not do well with egg unless I mix it with some type of moisturizing agent. But yeah, I couldn't do the egg, and I had just did something like a protein treatment the week before, so I said, nah, I ain't gonna do that because I already know the egg is gonna make my hair feel really, really hard because egg just seems to sit on top of my hair. I think the molecules in eggs are too big to penetrate anyone's hair. Actually, I'm not sure, but I know egg makes my hair feel hard unless I mix it with moisturizing agents. So yeah, I was like, let me just go ahead and do the mask that I know works, and then I can also share it with everybody else just in case egg protein does their hair the same way it does my hair. It makes it feel hard. But this protein treatment made my hair feel very soft and very strengthened. Mind you, my hair has been dyed twice this year. I straightened my hair 4 months in a row. What else did I do? My hair felt very dry before doing this mask. And you'll see later in the video that the color in my hair is coming out. The dark color I did a while back. So the red bleached hair is coming back through, but it's color damage, but it feels good with this mask. So yeah, I think I'm gonna continue to do this like once a month. We'll see. So yeah, after I put everything in, I just put a plastic bag on for about an hour. I did the last 15 minutes with heat, and here are the results after washing my hair out. I didn't deep condition, I just conditioned and rinsed it out. Look how elastic my damaged hair bit still is. Like, it bounces right back even though it's damaged. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Hopefully if you try this mask, you'll let me know, and if it fixes some of your damage or helps alleviate some of your damage or makes it look better, I would very much like to know in the comments. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.